Vanakkam friends, welcome to our channel. At last, I have found a very good and excellent day for all of you to explain about some simple strategies which can fetch you good money in markets. Yes, you may think that today Dasara, that might be a special day. It might be a special day for you. According to me, it's one of the special day. Barring that, my favorites today are facing their challenge for winning the IPL 2021 today, and it is a day after Saraswati Puja. Generally, in South India, Saraswati Puja we celebrate for learning new things, and apart from everything else, today is 15th of October, which is our former president's birthday, Sir APJ Abdul Kalam. So let's discuss something about this particular stock, and then I will explain you what is the strategy you need to follow if you want to be successful in this particular stock. Way back in 2018, in my first training session, it was a classroom training session, and there when I explained the strategy, almost 25 to 30 members were there in that particular session. Everyone laughed at me because I have not referred any charts, I have not referred any other indicators. I just said two numbers, 45 and 95. Remember these numbers. If you remember these numbers, you can do wonders in this stock. Surprisingly, at that time, that particular stock was trading at 295 odd level, 92 or to 300, somewhere near that. Everybody asked me, what will the stock do? I said, if it not crossing and closing above 295, definitely it will come back to 245. We always know there will be some funny people who will interrupt the sessions, and those kind of people asked me, sir, what will happen if 245 breaks? I said, it will go to 195. And the same guys asked me again, what if 195 breaks? I said, it will go to 145. Nobody believed me. Nobody believed me except two of my very good students. All others haven't believed me. But everything happened in next couple of months. Now most of you would have recognized what is the stock which I am going to discuss. It is State Bank of India. You just remember two numbers, 45 and 95. It is a completely number game. You don't require any charts, you don't require any technicals, not even moving average you don't require. If you want to have a double confirmation, you can implement a moving average, or else you don't even require a moving average for this particular stock. Just to go with two numbers, 45 and 95. Whenever the stock crosses above the 45 areas, which means now it is quoting around somewhere for 490 odd areas, the numbers which I have said is 45 and 95. So 95 is the next upcoming number. If and only the stock crosses 495 and closes above that particular level for 2 days, it will definitely hit 545. On the other case, if it is not able to go and close above 495 for 2 days, definitely it will come back to 445. In our queries segment, for the last 1 month also, people were asking me my views about State Bank of India. In between, Bank Nifty has fell down 1000 points and then it has risen up 1500 points from that particular level. I have never changed my sentence in any area about my view on State Bank of India. I was just saying above 445 it will or must show 495. Now just go and check what is the high of yesterday. It is 493.90. People may be convinced saying that it is just 1.10 point miss on the targets, but I still consider it as not met my target. Definitely on Monday or Tuesday, maybe Tuesday is a holiday, Monday or Wednesday it will show you 495 point. Done. And when it crosses 495 and sustains for 2 days, let it sustain at 510, go ahead and buy it. Definitely it will hit 545. Hope I am very clear with my strategy on explaining this part. It is very simple. Just 45 and 95. Remember these two numbers. Don't ever require any charts. Whatever the chart pattern may be, you don't ever bother about it. Just to see whether the number is ending with 45 or 95. And if you see two closes above 45, you just buy it. It will show you 95. To be on the safer side, exit 5 points before it, which means instead of 95 you exit at 90 and wait for another breakout above 95 levels, or else go ahead and short there. It will definitely come to 545. Same way, while shorting, instead of looking for 545 or whatever the number which ends at 45, just have a 5 points leverage. You may exit at 50. Hope this is very clear for you. Let me show something interesting about this in charts. See this. This is the State Bank of India chart on weekly time frame. When I put the daily time frame, the chart is getting very much congested and we were not able to see the values very clearly. So that is why I have taken the weekly charts. This green color line, which is the Bank Nifty index, this green color trend line, line chart is Bank Nifty spot. Everyone can say that State Bank of India has crossed, bounced back very strongly from 245 or 230 levels or 180 levels to 500 levels, etc. But it has never outperformed the Bank Nifty index. Very rarely he will outperform the Bank Nifty index. There is no justification for this. Remember this, State Bank of India will never outperform the Bank Nifty index. It may outperform, but it will be on a very short time frame. Maybe for 2 weeks or 3 weeks it may outperform and then he will come back down. This bar chart is the State Bank of India charts, this bar one. You may see here where is Bank Nifty and where is State Bank of India. And this red color line which I have drawn is the 50 simple moving average. Okay, if you want a double confirmation whether to enter or take a trade on this particular levels which I have mentioned, you can also add this chart. Two closes below this 50 moving average line will be a short for you, looking for the next target of what I have suggested earlier, somewhere with the number which ends with 45 to 50 if you are short, or the number which ends with 90 to 95 if you are long, vice versa. Okay, you can see here I have said that my first session was during 2018 October, right? See here where it was trading. This is October. Okay, this is October. Last week of October was the time I had my session. It has never managed to have a 2 close above my 45 area. It has just touched 300 on one day and then he dropped. Okay, then it is obviously a short. So he has to come down. He came down till 258 only and then he climbed up. He went above 295 and look at the rally here. From 295 he went to 345 at one go. Okay, in couple of weeks. Okay, 360 has been reached. So now what is left for us? Above 345 it must touch 395. See what happened here. He has gone almost near 373 and then dropped again because of the broader market situation. You can also correlate Nifty along with this if you require, but I blindly go by my levels of 45 and 95 because it is more successful for me if I trust my levels. Okay, same way here he came here and broke down 295 levels. Now the next level to watch is 245, which is also met. Once again he claimed the next level to watch is 345. He has touched 351. Once again he dropped below 295 and he tested 245. See this, 245. Below 245 what is there? 195. It is also done in within 1 week time. Below 195 what it is required? 145. See where it has gone? Almost near 149. What I said, you have a 5 points leverage for booking profits on your position. Say from here I need not want to explain it to you because you have seen the rally all this time while you are with our channel. Even if you are not part of our channel and you are a new member to our channel now, you would have witnessed the rally what it has been done during these days after the COVID fall during March 2020. It will be like a one way, just it is a number game. Don't ever look for other indicators. It is just a number game. Above 195 he is supposed to do 245. He has done 245. Above 245 he has to do 295. He has done 295. Above 295 he has to do 345. He has done 345. Above 345 he has to do 395. He has done 395. Remember these are weekly bars. So if you drill down further into daily charts, you will be able to see the values clearly. I have just shrink the charts just to project you in a clear manner. If I shrink the charts to 1 day, it is getting very much congested and you will not be able to see the exact levels whatever is happening over there. Okay, same way here, see what happened. Below 395 he is supposed to do 345. He has come to 345 and then he climbed all the way till over here in this particular area. Last 1 month or so, sorry, 1.5 months or so, you don't require any other explanations. Why? Because it is simple and sweet. My message was very clear saying that must will above 445 he must hit 495. Above 445 he will hit 495. Remember I never use the word could, might, may not. These are all the words which I haven't used especially for State Bank of India. Okay, so my explanation about State Bank of India, I feel that it is very clearly explained to you. If you still have any doubts on this particular thing, you may post in the comment section or you may post it even in my WhatsApp number as a personal message or in our queries group as well. I will definitely able to answer you. In the description of this video, I will give our Telegram channel links wherein we will be always active throughout the day during live market hours. even though I will not give targets in my free channel, but the levels will be like extremely perfect levels, entry and stop loss. Sometimes our stop loss will miss by 1 point or 50 paise, and sometimes our entry level will just touch that entry level and then the stock will move up. This is what will happen in our levels. As always, targets will not be mentioned for free channel members. If you still want to be in our group with exact targets or alerts wherever you want to exit, you can subscribe to our premium services. If you are a newcomer, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned with us from here on every interesting day or a important day which I feel it is important. I will definitely share you one strategy like this which will be very simple. Yep, a third standard student or fourth standard students who understand the numbers 45 and 95 can do trades with this particular strategy in State Bank of India. If that student is able to do, why not you? You will be able to do. Stick to the numbers which I am saying. You will be easily able to do wonders. Now, I don't want you to say that go and back test the levels. It is absolute foolishness. Don't back test. If you have guts, do 4 tests. Don't trade in futures because of the lot size. Maybe you may sometimes if it hits the stop loss, you may lose more money. Instead of that, trade in cash segment. Even 10 quantities for a swing trade for 10 or 15 days time, you will get 50 rupees means it is a very good money. Trade according to the numbers which I have given. The numbers are 45 and 95 for State Bank of India. Have a good day. Bye friends.